Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use screen of gestures in OPPO F21 Pro smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, slide down, and here if we go in system settings, so guys, here you can see, here we get the gestures and motions. Open it and you can see the screen of gestures. Okay, now go there and tap here to enable it. So here you can see double tap screen to turn it on or off, draw an O to open camera, draw a V to turn on or off flashlight, and this is for music control. And you can also add the custom gesture over there, you can see. Okay, so now quickly enable all this feature. Okay, so you can see double tap to turn on or off a screen, draw an O to open camera, and draw V to turn on or off flashlight. So if we double tap like this, wait, just double tap. Okay, if we double tap, so you can see screen, you can see double tap to turn on the screen. Okay, it will work on lock screen, you can see. So you can see just double tap to turn on and off screen like this, you can see. Yep, it is running really, you can see, running really smooth. Just double tap to turn on or off the display like this. As you can see, I look. Okay, just do again, turn it off and turn on, and it unlock the phone. Okay, and if we draw O, just draw O. So as you can see, camera, here you can see, draw O to launch the camera. Here you can see, just draw O like this to launch the camera. Okay, and if you talk about the flashlight, just check this out, draw V like this to turn on the flashlight, you can see, and again draw V to turn it off. So guys, this is the really easy and convenient method you get in this phone, you can see. Just double tap to turn on and off a screen, you can see like this. Just draw V to turn on and off flashlight, and guys, draw O to launch the camera. And the good thing is you can also add the custom gestures. So guys, this is the screen of gesture feature in OPPO F21 Pro smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.